Hello friends, welcome to you all here in this particular mock test session. This is a sectional test, quant set number 4 we will solve here. We will solve the test on live here in this session, and let's see how much score we can gather from this particular set. 20 minutes is there, 35 questions, 35 marks. And one important thing, whatever comes at the very first note, be it word problems, be it simplification, be it quadratic equation, be it DI set as well, whatever comes, you should be very flexible that I can solve it. Don't go with any preconceived notion that first we will find out for simplification and then move to quadratic or whatever the number based questions is there. We will solve it first and then move to word problems or DI sets, whatever available there, right? Don't go with this kind of mentality. Whatever comes at the very first note, try to solve it out by giving 5 to 7 10 seconds, and then if you cannot understand what's the question, or if you can understand that this is a lengthier one, just leave it out there and move forward. And move forward means even after 2 to 3 questions you feel that, or you can see that word problems is again there uh, more number of word problems in there in that particular paper. Don't search for simplification, that's why the simplification is there in this particular paper. It may happen that there is no simplification question as well, right? If, it becomes a trend in today's exam that there may not be any simplification questions. So whatever the word problems comes, it generally have a trend that word problems becomes easier one than a simplification or the quadratic equation, right? So whatever comes at the very first note, try to solve it out, or rather I'm saying try to understand the problem. If you can solve that particular word problem, even the DI set becomes easier at times in prelims examination I am talking about. So give it a little bit time. A little bit means 5 to 10 seconds you can give it, and this is more than sufficient to understand that whether you can solve this particular question or not, right? So that's why I am saying that whatever comes in front of you at the very first note or the subsequent question, you just try to understand, or you have to just understand the language or the type of question, whether you can solve this within the 30-35 seconds or not. If you can solve it, just solve it out at that point of time, be it simplification or what problems, and then move forward, right? This should be our approach to maximize our score, right? So moving to start test, and let's see how efficiently and how much score we can gather from this, right? Okay, here is the first one. Water mixed with alcohol and water. Yes, what? Alcohol water solution, alcohol to water. So this is alcohol, this is water, A ratio 5. Final solution becomes 10% of A alcohol. So alcohol, if this is A, this is 9A, right? If they were mixed in the ratio 1 ratio 4, what is the value of A? So 1 ratio 4 ratio, they are getting mixed, water mixed with an alcohol water solution. Okay, so this is something like variable comes, we should leave it here. Just move forward. Yes. There are total 1200 students in a class, each like among the three languages Marathi, English, and Hindi. Right. So right. This is Marathi, this is English, and this is Hindi. Right. Number of boys who likes English is 30% the total number of students in the class. Boys, number of boys like Marathi. Okay. So Marathi, here comes boys part. Number of boys who likes English. Okay. Is 360. Respective ratio of the total number of boys and the number of girls who like Marathi is 4 ratio 3, right? Okay, so this is 4, right? This is 4 and this is 3 unit. Respective number of boys who like Marathi and English, that is 8 ratio 9. So Marathi and English. So this boys is, if this is 4 unit, this should be 4.5 unit. If this is 4.5 unit, right? So this would be, if this is 9, then this is 40, this is 320, right? 80, 80, right? Rest, number of girls who like Hindi 50%, the number of girls who like Marathi. Okay, so here this is boys, this is girls, 50%, that means 1.5. Now Respective ratio of the number of boys and girls who like English is 6:1. Okay, so this is 60. Okay. Number of boys who, okay. Ratio of the total number of boys and number of girls who like Marathi is 4:3. If this is 4, this is 8. 8 means this is 240. If this is 240, this is half 120, right? Now 120 is the total number of students, right? So this is all Marathi or this is all English, right? So this is A, B, C, and this is X. Now this is total 560. 560 plus this seems to be a calculative one. Okay, we will solve it. A, B, X. It will take time. Number of boys who like Marathi. Okay, this is 320. Approximately what percent total number of students in the class? So, right, this question can be solvable here. This is, so 20%, that is 240, right? Plus 80. 80 means 10%, 5%, and 2%. Close. This value is close here. So that is 27%. Find the respective ratio of the number of boys who like Hindi, number of boys who like Hindi, and the number of girls who like English. So this is 60 and number of boys here. Number of girls who like Hindi, 50% of the number of girls who like Marathi. So this is 560. This is total 560 here. This is total 420, right? Okay, this is in separation. There is no common region, right? So diagram we have to fix here a little bit. Okay, this can be happen in the examination as well. So this is 560. Here is boys and girls. Here is English, that is 420. We'll not delete it, but this is examination scenario. It can happen. Just write it like this here. 320. This is 240, right? Here boys is 360, girl is 60. Here Hindi, here is boys and here girls. Now sum it up. This is 980, right? Sum total 980,000. So this would be 220, right? So this would be 100 here. Now number of boys who like Hindi, that is 100 here, and number of girls who like English, right? So 5:3. Okay, moving to next here. Just remove this part here. Okay. Okay. I hope this is clear. Find the difference between total number of students who like Marathi and total number of students who like Hindi. 340. Right. Moving to next here. Find the respective ratio of the total number of boys and total number of girls in the class. So boys, this is 320, 680, 780. 780 and that is 5, 4, 20. This is 39. This is 2. This is 21, 3, 7, 13. So 13 ratio 7. Find the sum total of the boys who like Marathi and English. Marathi and English sum total boys, that is 680. And total number of girls who like English and Hindi, that is 6, 180. 180, that is 860. Total. Okay. Monthly salary of A and B in the ratio 2:3. What is the respective ratio of their monthly expenditure? Respective ratio of A and B saving, that is this, right? A saves, okay. A saves, what is the respective ratio? So A should be there. A saves 62% ratio of the monthly expenditure. Yeah, so both together are sufficient. What is the profit or loss of an amount when sold? Selling price of an article this, and if sold, Okay, this is selling price 1080, sold at 50% more, that is 540 more. Profit amount would be earned 270. So cost price can be calculated. What is the profit or loss? Okay, article is marked 60% above the cost price. So this is it, and sold 1080 after allowing 1080 discount. Okay, so cost price we can find out, right? So individually both are sufficient, both either one or two sufficient. What is the total distance covered by boat in 2 hours in upstream? Time taken to cover 90 km when floating along the stream. Uh, that is 7.5 times the time taken to cover boat in downstream. This is what this time take. This would be right, and floating along the stream. Okay, this 7.5 comes in this side, and total distance covered. So okay, so yes, x plus y, two variable single equation not possible. Time taken by boat to cover 150 km in downstream, x plus y 2. So two equations needed here, right? Both together are sufficient, right? Moving to next here, length of the train. Okay, just leave it. Try to find out some easier question here. Yeah, wrong number term. Let's see. Simplification question is okay. This is easier. Time. The ratio of the percentage of Kiran and Neha. That is the ratio for 10 years ago. This is it. This is it. So 4x plus 10, 7x plus 10 equals to 3 by 4. Now 16 and 21. This is 5x, 5x. This is 10. X equals to 2. Now this is 8 and this is 14. So present age, that is 18 and 24. Now what will be the Kiran's age after 5 years? That is 23. Okay, simplifications is there. So 16 into x into 12 equals to 1600 2048. So 3648 divided by 12, 304 16 1618, right? So this is 18, right? 38 37 minus x plus 39 66 72 53. Check the unit place, that is 6 here, minus x plus 4 6 6 6 gone, x 4 x4 x4 means okay, this is 3 8, this is 2, right? This is 1, and this is minus x, this is 3, this is 12, that is 3, this is 9, so this is 0, right? So 2 1 2 minus x equals to 0, so x equals to 2 9. Okay, so 164. See, using digit sum we can solve it very fast. 80%, that is 160, plus x%, that is 1.2, x equals to 220, that is 80, 60, 60, this is 50. 82, 78 minus 36, 24 plus 38, 32. All are having unit place same, so we have to use the digit sum here. 1, this is 6 minus 0 plus 2, 5. 1, so 6 plus 1, that is 7. So 18 8 no, 6 1 6, so 9 8 8 no, 24 30 30 no, so 7 5 5 11 no, 9 14. So this is 6 1, 7. So you have to find out 7 here, right? So 8, 6, 8, 6, 78, 78, that is 15, 6, 10, 1, 6, 9, 0. This is 11, 2, 2, 5, 5, 10, 7, right? 18, 18, 7, 8, no. So this is 8. This is 6, 4, 1, 8, 8. That is 9, 7. Yeah, the second one satisfies. This is 30. 30 minus 24 plus 8 minus 16. This is 16, 4. So 2 by 33. 2 by 33 equals to 24. This is x. X equals to 11. Right? So x equals to 11. This is 8, 4, 44. Right? This is 11, 11, 6 into 24, 12. So what is happening here? X by 66 into 4 equals 24 by x into 11. Now this is 6. So 6 into 66 into 11. 11 into 6, 66. 45, 78, 13, 315 into x equals to 20. 6, 2, 3, 15, 2, 1, 21, 4, 2, 8, 40. 5, 20, 14, 34, 39. These are easy questions, right? You can solve it very fast. 0.4, 111 minus 148. That means minus 37. X square plus 125 minus 16. 256. That is 16. 1156 minus 7. This is equal to, so 1149, 125, 1024, 32. Right. A motorbike takes 2.4 hours more to travel to 04 upstream. Okay. This is x minus y, 136.5 divided by x plus y, and this is 2.5 hours. If the stream is 2.5, this is 2.5, this is 2.5. Now what is the speed of, okay, so this is in still water, that is 35. If 35 big, then 7. So no, this may not be, giving some awkward answer here. And now 34, that is 31.5, 36, that is 34, 17. Yeah, this satisfies. 17. Why? See, at one go we can answer it, and you have to take some calculated risk. It may give you correct answer. See why I am thinking so. This is 34, right? And 17, 17, 1, 12, 17 by 2. This gives 6. So this somehow gives me the correct answer. Maybe. Just take a calculated risk here. Vikas can complete our work in 15 days. Orun, his efficiency 50% more than the efficiency of Vikas. So Vikas and Orun efficiency, that is 1, that is 1.5. That means if this is 3, or if this is 2, this is 3. And by Varun, okay, so this is Vikas. By Varun, whose efficiency half of the efficiency of Orun. So this is 1.5. In how many 3 people will complete the entire work? Okay. So Vikas 15 into 2 divided by 8, 5, 6.5, that is 10. So this is 5, 3, 5, 13. This is 60. Option D. Right? Length of the train 100 meter more than the length of the platform. So platform, if x length, x, Okay, time taken by A to cross the train B traveling in opposite direction if the speed of the train B is 70 km/h, right? Time taken. Train B crosses the platform in 36 seconds. Cross the platform in 36 seconds. We cannot find out the length of the train here. Speed of the train is 90 km/h. Time taken by A and B to cross the platform 20 and 36 seconds. Right. From this we can surely calculate. So only to satisfy here. Right. What is the ratio of oil to alcohol in the final mixture? Initially oil and alcohol, that is in 5:3, x liter oil and 3x liter alcohol added. So x liter oil, 3x liter alcohol added. Amount of alcohol becomes 10 liters more than the amount of oil, right? So initially the difference between the amount of, okay, so both should be needed here. The ratio of oil and alcohol in the final mixture, right? Then the amount of, okay, this is difference, but this cannot be. So both we have to use here. Area of the seminar hall is to rectangular hall. Okay, this is 2 acre. How many marbles dimension of 80-50 needed to cover the entire floor? So 2 into 4047, that is 8094 divided by 80 into 50. That would be 8094 divided by 4000, that is 20, and this is 1 2 3, so that is 1 2 3 4, right? So option C. This is into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3, right? Into 5 plus 6 into 5 plus 7 into 5 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 4. So this is wrong here. Okay, so into 3 plus 5 into 2 minus 4. Okay, so this is 726. This is 726 203. This is 253. This is 60 03 303. So this is 50 50. This is 55. So 155 is wrong here. Okay, time is just up here. So you can see that initially I have skipped some word problems, some number series, the wrong number series I am talking about. Yeah, it may give me some feeling that no, wrong number series may becomes difficult one rather than missing number series. This kind of mentality you may avoid, may not be, depending upon the difficulty level of the paper. You can say one thing that while I am getting some linear word problems, I just intended to find out some simplification question is there or not, because time is very short, time is running very fast, right? So that's why I have to gather some questions which can easily give me some score at the very early note. Okay, while you are at the verge of ending the time, then you may not able to give the full potential what actually you are capable of. So that's why I am saying you have to search judiciously that particular question which can easily be solvable at that point of time, right? Whatever your status of mind at the during the examination day, which determines whether you can score in simplification or on word problems. You have already practiced more number of questions, sufficient number of questions, but in the examination day, which is completely different, you have to think on accordingly so that you can gather more number of score there. Okay, so that is all for now. I hope you understood all the process, what should be attempt in the paper, what should not attempt in the paper, and how to skip the question, which question to be solved. All these particulars would get acquainted with you by the repeated practice, by taking multiple number of mocks here, right? So I will again come live in some other live test. Till then, keep practicing and keep watching all the sessions I it gets posted on a daily basis in this particular YouTube channel, right? So that is all for now. Good day.